Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of laptop keyboards and trackpads, focusing on something incredibly important: typing comfort. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who enjoys writing, the comfort of your keyboard and trackpad can significantly impact your productivity and overall experience. Let's start with the keyboard. The feel of a keyboard is a very personal thing. Some people prefer the clicky feedback of mechanical keyboards, while others like the low-profile, softer feel of those found on many modern laptops. Key travel. The distance the key moves when pressed is a crucial factor. More key travel often gives a more tactile response, which can be great for touch typing, allowing you to feel the keystrokes and reduce errors. However, too much travel can lead to fatigue over long typing sessions. Consider the layout. A well-designed layout with appropriately spaced keys is essential. The position of keys like Ctrl, Alt, and Shift should be standard for muscle memory to work effectively. Keyboard size is another factor. Compact keyboards, which ditch the number pad, can save space, but might feel cramped for some. A full-size keyboard gives you more space but is less portable. The material of the keys also plays a part. A smooth, matte finish is often preferred to avoid fingerprints and glare. Now, let's move on to the trackpad. A good trackpad should be responsive and accurate. The size of the trackpad matters, as a larger surface gives you more room to move your finger and control the cursor. The trackpad's material should be smooth and allow for easy gliding. Glass trackpads are usually considered the best in this regard. They offer a premium feel and excellent responsiveness. Precision is key. The trackpad should accurately track your finger movements without any jitter or lag. Multi-finger gestures are something else to consider. The ability to use gestures, like two-finger scrolling, three-finger swiping, and pinch to zoom, can significantly enhance your workflow. The trackpad buttons should be well placed and easy to press. Some trackpads have physical buttons, while others have a click mechanism built into the trackpad itself. Both can work well, but it is down to personal preference. So, what should you look for when choosing a laptop for typing comfort? First, try before you buy. If possible, visit a store and test out the keyboard and trackpad. Pay attention to the key travel, spacing, and the feel of the keys. See how the trackpad responds to your gestures, and whether it feels smooth and responsive. Read reviews. See what other users have to say about the laptop's keyboard and trackpad. Consider your needs. If you type a lot, then typing comfort should be a high priority. Think about what you will use the laptop for. If it's mostly for writing, a comfortable keyboard is essential. For general use, a good trackpad is also crucial. In conclusion, the keyboard and trackpad are key elements in your laptop experience. Choosing a laptop with a comfortable keyboard and trackpad can dramatically improve your productivity, reduce fatigue, and make your computing experience much more enjoyable. So, take your time, do your research, and find a laptop that feels right for you. Thanks for watching. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into laptop keyboards and trackpads, focusing on typing comfort. Whether you're a student, professional, or just enjoy writing, the comfort of your keyboard and trackpad significantly impacts productivity. Let's explore what makes them comfortable and how to find the perfect fit. First, the keyboard. Keyboards vary in layout and design. QWERTY is the most common. Then, their size. Full-sized keyboards include a number pad, while others are more compact. Consider your typical usage. Think about the key travel, the distance the key moves when pressed. Longer key travel can provide more tactile feedback. The key spacing, or pitch, also plays a crucial role. Consider the keycap's shape and material. Matte keys are usually less reflective and more comfortable for extended use. Next, the trackpad. It's often overlooked, but a good trackpad makes a difference. Size matters. A larger trackpad offers more room for navigation. The surface material is essential too. Glass trackpads provide a smooth experience. Trackpad precision is key. Multi-finger gestures are another feature. The click mechanism is also important. The sensitivity of the trackpad to pressure and touch should also be adjustable. Some trackpads also offer palm rejection technology. So, how do you find the right laptop for typing comfort? The best way is to try before you buy. Visit a store and test different laptops. Pay attention to the key travel, spacing, and the feel of the trackpad. Type a few sentences and see how comfortable it feels. Consider the position of the keyboard relative to the trackpad. Read reviews. Think about your needs. The right laptop will provide a balance of comfort, performance, and features. Choosing a laptop is personal. Find one that makes typing a joy. Thank you for watching.